Hello, everyone. In this video, we will look at a case study on Sudoku. Sudoku, also known as number puzzle, is a number placement puzzle. The objective is to fill the grid so that every row, every column, and every 3x3 box contains 1 to 9. For example, you put some numbers here. Solve. And this is 3x3 box. And this is another 3x3 box. And this is another 3x3 box. So those are all have exactly 9 numbers, 1 to 9. Every row, every column, and every 3x3 boxes. Writing a program to solve a Sudoku problem is very challenging at this stage. To make it accessible to the novice, this section presents a simplified version of the Sudoku problem, which is to verify whether a Sudoku solution is correct. So look at this here. This is the puzzle. And here's the solution. We're going to write a program to test if this is a correct solution. So in which every row, every column, every 3x3 box has exactly 9 numbers. We're going to use a 2x2. We're going to use 9x9 two-dimensional array to represent Sudoku numbers, all this numbers. This is, so this is the initial stage, and 5, 3 is here, and 0 means here, the number you need to fill in. So this is the initial stage. So this is all, this 9x9. This is what we have now. We get a solution now. So we're going to test if this is the correct solution. This is the program. So what we do is we're going to check every row has numbers 1 to 9. Every column has numbers from 1 to 9. And every small box has numbers from 9 to 9. This is one approach. There's another approach. You can check each cell. Each cell must have a number from 1 to 9. And the cell must be unique on every row, every column, and every small box. So this is another way to test if the solution is correct. You can use any of these two. So we're going to choose the second approach here to check each cell. Each cell must be a number from 1 to 9, and the cell must be unique on every row, every column, and every small box. So we are going to create this int 9x9 array. Is valid grid. So this is the grid. So we're going to check if this is the correct solution. So this is valid here. Now, I think what we need to do here, look at the program here is read a solution. So I should write this as read a solution, read a solution. So this is the method here, read a solution. Here's the method. And this method here, it creates the array, prompt the user to enter the puzzle here. So enter this. And then you can return this grid. So this is the one for read a solution. Now this is the input, and here you read the solution. After you read the solution, now we can test it. Is valid. So this is valid. Here's the grid. So we're going to do this is to have this every cell. We look at every cell. So look at every row, and for each row, look at every column and look at every cell. So this number is, if it's less than 1 or it's greater than 9, or here is valid ij. This is, here's grid. Okay. Now, if it's not valid, okay, and then we return false, else we're going to return true. So let's look at is valid at this location I, j in the grid. We're going to check this. If this is unique in the row, and here, this is the row here at the row I, look at every column here. So this right here is, this is the one, this is the column here, not equal to j, okay? And so look at this. If there's another, it's not duplicate, it has to be unique. So if this grid, brackets I, brackets column equal to grid ij, so that means there's another number on the same row, so that is incorrect. So you have to have unique numbers, right? So if that's the case, they have to return false. So this is the check the row. For this element here, it's at the location ij. We're going to check the i's row. And the next, we're going to check the j's column. So for the row here, so if the row is not equal to I and you have a match, so this means the element is already at this column, so return false. Now we're going to check the box, small box, 3 by 3. So what we do is to look at this is every box here. So this is, you need to find the first one. So every box here, right here, every box, you need to find the first one. So what is the first one? So first one is this. You have this is I and the j. So have this is the starting cell of this 3 by 3 box is grid 3 times I divided by 3. So that is, for this one here, it is, this is, so what is this I is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 divided by 3 is 1, 1 times 3. So this is right here. This one here, okay. This is the I. So okay. So this is grid 2, this is 3. this is 3, it's right here, it's 3, right here, it's row is 3, and the column here, this is 3, this is actually 0, 1, 2, so this is 2, and it is this one here, it is 2 divided by 3 is 0, so this 3 times 0 is 0, so this is the location. So we need to find just the starting location. The starting location is this. It is the row, it's this I divided by 3 times 3. And for the column is J divided by 3 times 3. So this is integer division. So this will get you to this multiples of 3 here. This is the same thing here. Now you're going to get just 3 rows. So this is the row and the next one. And so the plus, and all the way here is plus 3. For this, we're going to check if it is here is row equal to I and a column equal to J. If it's not the case, and we're going to check if there's a match already in this 3 by 3 box. So if it's true, return false. That is all for this program to test whether a solution is a correct Sudoku solution. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.